Hello everyone, I am Pavithra Devi, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in DrSNSRCAS College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to take the class about data science iterative process. Data science is the inherently iterative, meaning that the process, classical and insight from the one step often lead to revising the previous step. The iterative nature is what allows the data scientist to refine the models, improve result, and ensure that the insights are actionable and valuable. Here explanation of why data scientists iterative and how each phase might look back earlier stages. First one, identify the questions. Start. The process begin with understanding the problem or business objective. However, as insight emerge from the data or question objectives may evolve. Iteration after gaining some understanding the data, running initial analysis. Question may need to be refined because the new variables and different approaches is need to answer the original questions or more accurately. Example, you might start with the board question like how can we reduce customer churn? But after preliminary analysis, you can refine the question to which customer segment are most likely the churn. Next one, acquiring data. Start once the question is clear, relevant, data is gather the information from various resources. However, new insight or refine the questions may require additional data, questions and iteration after performing the initial analysis. You may discover the gaps in order or realize the additional data source or need to answer the question fully. Example, initially you might gather the data on customer purchase or demographics. After exploring the customer churn pattern, you might realize the customer services, interaction or website usage data are also important. Next one, data mugging, that is called as data cleaning and pre-processing. Start. Raw data is cleaned, transformed and prepared for the modeling. This involves handling missing values, outlier encoding, categorical variable, etc. Iteration. Data cleaning is rarely one-time task. As you dive deeper into the analysis, you may realize that more pre-processing steps are needed. For example, creating the new feature, normalization data, handling new types of missing data. Example, after initialization, pre-processing you might train model and realize that certain categorical feature. Example, customer type should be encoded differently, or the model may reveal the certain data transform or necessary to improve the performance. Next one, modeling and evaluation. Start. A model is built using the prepared data to answer the identifiable question whether it is classification, regression, clustering problem. Iteration based on this model performance, you may go back and adjust the data. Example, add more feature, remove irrelevant ones or tweak the model. Example, try a different algorithm, turn hypermatter. This step often involves multiple iterations of testing, tuning and evaluating until the modern performance satisfaction. Example, you may first try a decision tree and see that its performance is suboptimal, and in response you may switch the random forest, turn hyperparameters and try cross validation to improve the performance. Next one, representing and interaction. After building the evaluation model, insights are communicated through the visualization or dashboard or reports. Stakeholder might be request for the classification or ask additional question based on the feedback. The data presentation may need to be adjusted. Example, adding more chart explanation result in different way, or adding new data or deeper analysis. Example, you present your churn prediction model result, stakeholder ask for the deeper explanation of churn by customer demographics. As the result, you go back data, refine your visualize, provide the targeted insights. Next one, feedback and refinement. Start. After presenting the insights, you may receive feedback, leads to new questions, areas focus. Iteration, feedback after triggers a re-evaluation of the data models, even the business question itself. New data might be incorporated or model might be retained, the additional feature refined to a better model. Example, after sharing the results, stakeholder might request the more granular prediction or indicate the certain features should be more heavily considered. This feedback would be promoted revision yearly.